Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to study Sejarah step by step. First, begin by thoroughly understanding the learning objectives for each chapter. This helps you focus on what is truly important. Next, create a structured study timetable, dedicating at least 30 minutes daily to Sejarah. Finally, utilize various resources beyond just your textbook, such as historical documentaries or online articles, to gain a broader perspective. To truly engage with the content, actively summarize key events and concepts in your own words after each study session. This process helps solidify your understanding. Drawing mind maps or flowcharts is also incredibly effective for visualizing complex historical connections and relationships. Furthermore, practice answering past year questions regularly to identify recurring themes and question patterns, which is crucial for exam success. Mastering facts and dates is essential for Sejarah. Create flashcards for important dates, names, and key terms, reviewing them daily for 10 to 15 minutes. Formulate mnemonic devices like acronyms or short stories to help remember complex sequences of events or lists. Most importantly, regularly review previously learned material, perhaps once every week, to reinforce your memory and prevent forgetting over time. For exam preparation, practice writing essay outlines to structure your arguments effectively and ensure comprehensive coverage. Participating in study groups can be highly beneficial, allowing you to discuss and clarify challenging topics with peers. Always seek feedback on your practice answers from teachers or mentors. This helps identify areas for improvement and refine your historical interpretations. Consistent effort will lead to success.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.